Natural light has the power to transform your home. It makes rooms feel larger, more welcoming, and more vibrant. In Rockford, where winters can feel long and gray, maximizing daylight becomes even more important. If your home feels dim or closed in, modern replacement windows may be the solution you've been looking for. Upgrading your windows isn't just about improving energy efficiency, it's also about enhancing how your home looks and feels every day. Why natural light matters in Rockford. Rockford homeowners experience all 4 seasons, including cold winters with shorter daylight hours. Limited natural light can make interiors feel smaller and less inviting during these months. By installing modern replacement windows with larger glass areas and slimmer frames, you can allow more daylight to enter your home, even on overcast days. Brighter interiors can improve mood, reduce the need for artificial lighting, and create a more enjoyable living environment year-round. Larger glass, slimmer frames. Older windows often have bulky frames that reduce the amount of visible glass. Modern replacement windows are designed with slimmer, stronger frames that maximize glass space without sacrificing durability. This means more sunlight can pass through, brightening your living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms. Even subtle increases in glass area can significantly improve how open and airy your home feels. Choosing the right window styles. Certain window styles are especially effective at maximizing natural light. Picture windows, for example, feature large, uninterrupted panes of glass that provide expansive views and abundant daylight. Bay and bow windows extend outward from your home, allowing light to enter from multiple angles. Casement windows also offer wide openings and clear glass areas that enhance brightness. When thoughtfully placed, these modern window styles can dramatically improve the overall lighting in your Rockford home. Energy efficiency without compromising light. Some homeowners worry that larger windows may lead to heat loss during winter or heat gain during summer. Fortunately, modern replacement windows are engineered with energy-efficient technologies that balance light and insulation. Double or triple pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low emissivity coatings help regulate indoor temperatures. These features allow sunlight to brighten your space while minimizing unwanted heat transfer. In Rockford's cold winters, this means you can enjoy bright rooms without sacrificing warmth. During warmer months, energy-efficient glass helps prevent overheating while maintaining comfort. Enhancing interior design. Natural light does more than brighten a room, it enhances your home's overall design. Sunlight highlights textures, colors, and architectural details, making your decor feel more dynamic. Hardwood floors appear richer, paint colors feel more vibrant, and living spaces become more inviting. If you've invested in beautiful furnishings or artwork, modern windows help showcase them in the best possible light. Creating a connection to the outdoors. Modern replacement windows also help strengthen your connection to the outdoors. Clearer, larger panes provide better views of your yard, neighborhood, or seasonal scenery. In Rockford, where landscapes change dramatically throughout the year, this connection adds to the charm of your home. Whether it's watching snow fall in winter or enjoying lush greenery in summer, improved windows help you experience the beauty outside more fully. Reducing dependence on artificial lighting. With increased daylight entering your home, you may find yourself using less artificial lighting during daytime hours. This not only creates a more pleasant ambiance but may also contribute to energy savings over time. By maximizing natural light, modern replacement windows help you create a more efficient and comfortable household. A bright investment for Rockford homeowners. Upgrading to modern replacement windows is about more than appearance, it's about improving quality of life. Brighter interiors, enhanced energy efficiency, and improved curb appeal all add long-term value to your home. For Rockford homeowners seeking to make their spaces feel warmer, more open, and more inviting, modern replacement windows offer a smart and lasting solution. Let the light in, and experience the difference it makes every day.